Hello guys, today we work with the page number 112 and 113. We have our story, the story for this unit, and remember you have to record it and send it to me. Well, you have to read it, then record it, and then send it to me. Now, here is the lecture. One, this Eco Warrior Challenge. One, you have 1 month to do your Eco Warrior Challenge. We're going to give a $200 gift card to a bookstore as a prize for the best project. Good luck. Number two, what are you going to do? I'm going to clean up trash. I'm going to recycle. I want to plant flowers. What are you going to do, Freddy? I'm going to clean up the dirty, empty lot next door. Number three, this is going to be difficult. I'm going to help you clean up the trash here, Freddy. Thanks, Max. Number four, what am I going to do with all this trash? I, I want to sort it out and recycle it. Thanks, Jara. How are you going to take all this trash to the recycling center? I'm going to use the shopping cart. Where am I going to plant all these flowers? Will you like to plant them here? Perfect. I have a lot more too. We're going to get lots of bees and butterflies here. Oh, we're not. The rabbits are going to eat it all of the flowers. Don't worry, I'm going to make them run. 8. We're going to give the prize to Freddy. He created a beautiful natural garden. I'm going to share my prize with all my friends. We did it together. Okay, esa es la lectura. And after that, we complete this activity. Activity number 2. Read the story again. Complete the sentences about the story with 1, 2, or 3 words. Bueno, vamos a trabajar con esta. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Dice Max is going to. ¿A dónde va Max? Ahí estaba. Jara uses a to take the trash away. And Ellie thinks, esta es la que está un poquito más difícil, la number 3. Number 4, Freddy shares his prize with. Ok. Vamos a estar haciendo este ejercicio. Y después, on your notebook, hicimos lo siguiente. Ok. Por aquí, lo que empezamos a hacer fue esta actividad donde dice who does things in the story, write down, listen and check. Bueno, vamos a estar haciendo estas. Lo que pasa es que aquí vamos a tener que observar muy bien y recordar quiénes son los que estuvieron haciendo esto. Ellie, what letter? A, B, C, or D? Max, what letter is Max's job? A, B, C, or D? Freddy, okay, same thing. And Jora is the same thing. We have 4 pictures, 4 names. Así que vamos a trabajar. Y la última activity number 2. Let's write it down. Let's write down these sentences. 1. What am I going to do with all this trash? I want to start and I want to sort it out and recycle it. Number 3, no, we're not. The rabbits are going to eat all of the flowers. And number 4, I'm going to clean up the dirty empty lot next door. ¿Quién dijo cada una de estas frases? Por Ellie le van a escribir una E, for Freddy, F, for Max, M, and for well, ahí me preguntan a mí, what am I going to do with all this trash? Bueno, ahí vamos a ver qué fue lo que contestaron. Así que vamos a trabajar con esto y ya después seguimos adelante, ¿ok? Nos vemos entonces el Monday. Have a great weekend. Remember the spelling, no se les vaya a olvidar. Algunos ya los llevan en la libreta, los demás se los pongo en Classroom para que practiquen esas palabras, ¿ok? Entonces, see you later, guys. Bye bye.